Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Toy Time! Are you guys already subscribed to our channel? Hurry up and subscribe! Once we hit 200,000 subscribers, we're gonna give you guys a mini tour of our studio. Isn't that gonna be fun? It's gonna be amazing! Today, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's my first day filming the movie. Wow, I am so nervous, but I'm sure everything is going to be okay. Everest is coming over to watch the babies. Chase also has a mission. Today he has a rescue mission. Hey Chase, how are you? Oh, hi Skye. Hi everyone. How is everybody doing? How do you like my outfit? Today I have to go on a mission. It's gonna be an air rescue mission. Wow, I have my spy suit. I'm ready to work. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Wow, Chase, good luck to you. And good luck to you too, Skye. Or should I say, break a leg. Today is your big day. I'm so proud of you. Thanks, Chase. Do you need help? Do you want me to stay home and watch the babies? No, you could go on your mission. Everest should be here anytime soon. She's going to watch the puppies. Alright, Skye, so once again, break a leg. I can't wait to watch the movie. Oh, it must be Everest. Hi, Skye, how are you? Wow, you look amazing. I love your tiara. Thanks, Everest. Well, I'm all ready to go to the studio. Okay, and I'm here to watch the babies. Where are those little munchkins? And Everest is here, and Everest is here. And Everest, we're right here. Are you gonna puppy sit us? Of course I am. Come over here. Give an Everest a hug. Oh, I'm so glad that they enjoy spending time with you, Everest. I am so happy too. Oh, I can't believe how big the puppies are getting. I missed you guys. You looked so beautiful on the day of my wedding. I had so much fun on your wedding, and Everest. I'm glad you did. Okay, so today we're gonna have lots of fun. Are you guys ready? Yes, we're ready. Okay, Skye. So don't worry. You could go to the movie set. We'll be here at the house, and I'll take care of the puppies. Yay! All right, Everest. Thank you very much. You are the best sister ever. All right, if you need me, you can call me on my cell phone. I'm going to the studio. Goodbye, kids. Goodbye, Mommy. Good luck. Kids, you should say break a leg. But why? I don't know. That's something you say to the movie stars. All right, Mommy. Break a leg. Thanks, kids. I'll talk to you later. Thanks again, Everest. You're welcome, Skye. And Everest, are we going to bake cupcakes? Sure thing. And Everest, are we going to the park today? Of course, we could go to the park right after we finish baking the cupcakes. And Everest, can you take us to swim in the pool? Of course, it's such a beautiful sunny day. We'll do everything you guys want. It's going to be a lot of fun. Yay, you are the best aunt in the whole world. Thanks, guys. And you guys are the best nieces and nephews. Okay, Skye, no need to worry. All you need to do is make sure that you memorized all of your lines. You're gonna get this. Oh, hey, Skye, what are you gonna get? Were you talking by yourself? Oh, hey, Stacy. Yes, I was talking by myself. I was saying that everything is going to be okay. I'm sure you will, Skye. You are such a great actress. Oh, thanks, Stacy, but I must say I'm feeling a little bit nervous. You will be just fine. Trust in yourself. Okay, thanks for the advice. Oh, there is Skye, your new movie star. How are you, Skye? All right, I can't wait to see you on the next movie. Break a leg. Thank you. Okay, now I have to go back to my office. Wow, everybody can't wait to see my movie. I better start getting ready. All right, Skye, you call me if you need anything. Thanks, Stacy. You're welcome. Okay, so now I just have to go right here in my dressing room and I have to put a beautiful unicorn outfit. Did you guys watch my unicorn outfit video? Okay, if you didn't watch yet, I'm gonna leave a link right here in the description of this video. And if you watched it, let me know, how did you like my outfit for the movie? Don't I look like a beautiful magical unicorn? Alright, so time for me to go get ready. Okay, I am all ready. Time to go add the wings in the other dressing room. So now my wings are perfectly set up. How do you guys like the beautiful wings I just put on? Looks great, right guys? But I have to say, I'm starting to get a little nervous. I cannot remember my lines and I studied them so well. Wait, what is this? This is a magical unicorn costume, and I heard that every time I forget my lines, it loses the colors. Oh no! It's no longer beautiful, vibrant colors. I have to call my friends. I need to be rescued by the Paw Patrol. Oh no! Look, kids, your mommy is calling. Let me take this call real quick. Oh, I hope everything is okay with mommy. I'm sure everything is okay. Hello, Skye? Hi, how are you? I'm not doing too well. I can't believe my unicorn outfit is changing color. It's losing all the beautiful colors. I heard it's because I'm nervous, because I cannot remember my lines so well. Oh, wow. Everybody's fine. We were getting ready to go to the playground. I don't know why this is happening. I have always been such a confident puppy, but right now I am so nervous. Nothing can help me. Could you please come in? I really need your help. Sure, Skye. We could stop by real quick. But don't worry. Don't be nervous. You're gonna be the best movie star Adventure Bay has ever seen. Okay, I will do everything I can not to panic and to remember my lines. We have to go to the movie set in less than 5 minutes. I have to be ready. We'll be there in just 1 second. Who could it be? Come on in. Hey, Skye, is everything okay? I received your message saying that you needed help. Oh, Chase, thanks for coming to help me. Yes, can you believe? Look at my outfit. It used to have beautiful, bright colors, and now all the colors are gone. I can't believe what's going on. I think it's because I am a little nervous. I'm afraid I will forget the lines. And this is such a magical costume that every time I get nervous, it loses the color. What should I do? Don't worry, Skye. Listen, you studied all the lines so well and you know what you're doing. I know, I was always so confident. For some reason right now, I am very nervous. Okay, I know that you will do great. Do you guys at home think that Skye will do great? Thanks, guys. You're making me so happy. Look, Skye. The color on your costume is coming back. Is it? Yes, but it's still not 100%. Who could it be? I don't know. Maybe more of the Paw Patrol? Because everybody received your call for help. Oh, you guys are truly the best friends. Paw Patrol, we're on a roll. Wow, Marshall, Zuma, Rumble, Rocky. I can't believe you guys came to help me. Of course we did. We saw that the call for help was coming from the movie set. We got very worried that it was you. Oh wow, you guys are the best friends ever. Well, I am very nervous. I'm afraid I will forget my lines. But Skye, you are the best actress in the whole world. Right, Chase? That's right. Oh, thank you guys for thinking that I am the best actress in the whole world. But still, I'm very nervous and I'm a little worried about the babies. Marshall, did you get to talk to Everest? I did. Everest said that she's on her way. Wait a minute, I think I hear the kids. There they are. Mommy, Mommy, is everything okay? When you called us, we got very worried. Yes, Skye, is everything okay? I'm so glad to see you. Well, everything is fine, but I was a little nervous about the big movie that I have to start filming. And Mommy, what happened to your costume? The colors were so bright not too long ago. It looks like it's losing the color. Yes, guys, that's the thing. This is a magical unicorn suit. Every time that I'm worried or sad, it changes the color. It loses all the beautiful bright colors and the whole screen turns into gray. Oh no, I have to start getting happy and confident soon. Don't worry, Skye. I think everybody here is gonna cheer you up. That's right, Mommy. We're going to cheer you up. Wow, guys, thank you very much. Come on, everybody, let's cheer Skye because she needs all the hugs and all the love that we can give her now. So she feels very happy for the movie. Yes, Mommy, we love you. Oh, guys, thank you. And you know what? It's working. Look how beautiful my costume looks. All I needed was my friends and family here with me right now. Oh, Mommy, your costume went back to normal. You see, you just wanted us to come here to see you. That's right. I wanted you guys to come here to give me a big hug before I go film the new movie. Good luck, Mommy. Break a leg. Thank you, guys, and thank you all the Paw Patrol for coming to rescue me today. I can't believe I needed all this help today. But I'm very glad that everything worked out and my costume looks just like it did in the beginning of the video. What do you guys think? Do you think the colors came back? I'm glad it did. Leave me a comment and let me know. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video today. And stay tuned because there will be many more videos of the Paw Patrol group. And also, if you want to have a mini tour of our studio, subscribe to our channel and ask all your friends to subscribe to our channel. Once we hit 200,000 subscribers, I'll show you guys the studio. It's gonna be fun, right guys? Alright, so kids, Mommy's going to the movie set. Thanks for coming to visit me, and I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks guys, subscribe to our channel.